And you mentioned one thing about online booking capabilities.
Yeah.
Which I'll be honest, for commercial cleaning is a little bit tricky. Only because unlike residential cleaning, where you can get a 3-bed 2-bath house or a 1-bed 1-bath flat, you're going to have a kind of set template to quote on. With commercial cleaning, you're going to be dealing with a different number of floors, different layouts of offices. Some have more glass, some have less glass, and it's going to be harder to provide an online quote unless you provide quoting on a square foot or a
Square
square
foot,
meter
yeah.
basis. But then that doesn't then take into account all of the
Context.
externalities, right? All of the
Yeah.
differences that occur from office to office. So in my experience, carrying out a site visit is going to be the best way to assess the actual cleaning requirement. But what I would say is, on the website itself, to have a clearer call to action to call for a quote. Submit basic details by all means, but call for a quote. Apply for. We'll get a site visit carried out. Within, I don't know, 4 hours of you submitting your inquiry, whatever it is. You can have something like that, and I think that would increase the opportunities to convert inquiries.